It's time for part 2. So, the last time I tried to install Windows on a phone, it didn't end well. So today I'm gonna be trying again, but this time I'm a bit smarter now. I'm actually gonna be using a newer phone, a better spec phone, not the G5 SE, which is a piece of shit. And I'm gonna use a pre-built image of Windows XP instead of installing Windows 7. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So first we're gonna add a new VM. I'm gonna name it... if you translate it from Serbian, that's a very nice word. Hold on, focus. There we go. That's a very nice word. Custom. Okay. Now, hold on, let me pull up a guide because I don't know what I'm doing because I'm an idiot and I'm a lobotomy patient and I... Okay.
天上太阳红呀红彤彤哎，心中的太阳是毛泽东哎，他领导我们的解放哎。
Discs, and now this is the part where I fucked up last time. Instead of putting in a pre-built image, I just grabbed a random ISO of Windows 7. So this time, I learned my lesson, and we're actually gonna be using a downloaded image. Yay! Go. There it is. And now we should be in fact good to go. So if you do the same thing, I'm gonna fucking crash out. Hold on. Wait a minute. There's no way. It's working. My dream. It's finally a thing. Yeah. Yeah. Windows XP. It's working. It's actually working. Holy shit, it's actually working. Okay, so because it's gonna boot forever, I'm just gonna leave the phone there and just let it boot and I'll be back when it does. Bye! We got a cursor! Also, one thing I'm noticing, this thing is painfully slow, like it barely even responds to me. There we go. Oh, there we go, now it's responsive. That's neat. And it's frozen again. I already see this being a train wreck. Another fail. 2 fails in a row. But I ain't giving up that easily. I'll actually, if XP doesn't boot, I'll actually try to install Windows 98 instead, because it's like 10 times less heavy, so it should run perfectly fine. Just look at this, it's barely even responding to me. There we go. First it runs well, like I can move the cursor, and oh, it freezes. Now this could be me being an idiot, but let's just give it some time, I guess. You know what, because I actually have a life, I'm not gonna wait forever for this to boot. I'm just gonna change the settings and see if it'll work. There we go. So, as Slapilot tells me,
天上太阳红呀红彤彤哎，心中的太阳是毛泽东哎，他领导我们的解放哎，正义翻身大家做主人，咿呀咿自由，呀呀自由啊，正义翻身大家做主人。
well, we should be ready, so let's just... There we go, it's doing stuff. Let's just leave it here and let it do its booting procedure, I guess. XP. This is what happens when you tell an idiot to do something. Let's just give it some time, I guess. You know, it's doing the same fucking thing. I'm gonna fucking crash out. Meow, 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 Meow. Okay, I guess I'll follow this tutorial like a good boy instead of flexing that I'm some smart ass tech geek and trying it on my own. So let's just see if I can follow this tutorial. First we need to shut down the VM. Meow. Okay, I should really stop. Okay, anyways, this is our very nice Word VM. Let's just follow the tutorial.
天上太阳红彤彤哎，心中的太阳是毛泽东哎，他领导我们的解放哎，奋力翻身当家做主人，咿呀咿自由，呀呀自由啊，奋力翻身当家做主人。
Multiple PCBs, warning, setting multiple virtual CPUs will result in
天上太阳红呀红彤彤哎，心中的太阳是毛泽东哎，他领导前进哎，革命江山一夜一片红哎，咿呀咿自由，呀呀自由啊，革命江山一夜一片红。
Oh, he's a pencil around now. Listen, buddy. You should have told me that you guys around at the beginning. You're like, okay. 1, 5. Wow, that's already really random. I don't know. Let's just find it. Oh my gosh, let me have space to put the thing. 100, no. 1, 5, 12, 1, 5, 12. There it is. Okay, next. Okay, we're done with the board. That's nice. Yes, for this day. But I find it very weird that the artist is supposed to play it. But yeah, this is my phone, so I better listen to it. Even though some random Indian guy. None. I just can't open. There we go. Who's on the box? Big frog. Hard disk? There we go.
心中的红太阳，在边疆的烟火，长白千里，歌声嘹亮，海洋江河风起飞扬，千条江水归大海。
Yes, it is. So let's just boom. Wow, that's actually much faster. Oh my god. Holy shit. Hold on, how do I A keyboard? There we go. Enter. 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 Just hit the enter, okay? It's not that hard. Oh, I'm blind. Yeah. Yeah, the animation is smooth now, no stuttering. That's a good sign. That's a win. So let's just give it some time for it to boot and I'll be back, I guess. You know fucking what? This thing hasn't been working for so fucking long. So if this shit, what I try next, does not work, I'm gonna break... Wait. If what I try next doesn't work, I'm just gonna... So my last fucking resort is to... Okay, I should calm down. My last fucking resort is to try to remote desktop into my PC so I'll technically run Windows, so get off my phone! Okay, calm down. Do not use the hammer. So, instead of acting like a psychopath, I'm just gonna try running a remote desktop. Let me just find a good app. There we go, that's the app I'm looking for. Scroll to available downloads. There it is. Yay, I'm so excited. And now I'm just gonna let this thing download. So yeah, I'll be back. Install the app. Turn on Play Protect. Google Play regularly checks your apps and devices for harmful behavior. I mean, you Google do harmful behavior to my devices, so get off. Okay, we're in the app. It's lonely here. How did you know? So let's just go in here, desktop, hostname. Oh, how do you set this app? Hold on, username. No, enter. Okay, let me just set this thing up. After all of that torture, after everything. Yay! So I just gave up on the limbo method entirely, and I'm just using the Microslop remote desktop app, and it works really well actually. I can run my browser. I can basically fully use Windows like this. Yeah. Works just fine, so yeah. Don't ever ask me to install Windows on phones, okay? Or else! And by the way, the next video will probably be a hammer banger, get it? Okay, I should stop. Anyways, thanks for watching, I'll see you later. Bye! If I keep doing that, I'll actually break my phone, Jesus Christ.